light.
Right, just when their hair's down.
Girls, you guys are gonna hurt your throats.
I like the ones that light up the whole sky.
Yeah, me too.
Me too.
Hey, me too.
Cool.
They still light up from China.
They're made in China, girl. Look it up on Google later. Watch, you're gonna be feeling dumb. They still light
Why
up.
is there smoke by the pier?
Why? Why would they light fireworks up in China? And how will we see them from here?
It's in the sky.
They light the fireworks by the pier.
It's in the sky though, so you can see it.
Reggie, shut up. Lani,
Is it over already? Oh, I was gonna say.
Lani, stop yelling. Don't yell
Really?
anymore.
Really? Dude.
Where's me?
Dude.
Sit right here. Watch him. Don't get up, because then you're gonna be my mommy's way. No, we're not leaving yet.
They're over here yelling and they can't.
Hennessy,
Well, what am I?
Genesis!
Who am I to say something?
stop yelling.
Last time, when it got, oh my gosh, we was yelling at the top of our lungs because we was over by the lake. And there's this drunk dude, he was like, Holly! And Monica did the same thing, he was like, shut up! And he almost fell when she said that, and we was dying for the rest of the night. It was so funny.
I want chippy.
There's no chippy. Oh, we'll get some. I didn't know there was something.
Oh!
I like when you can still see them in the sky.
Yeah.
See how where they were?
Oh, bug. Okay. Boom! Oh, I like that one. I like
You see
that
how you
one.
can still see them? The
Yeah.
smoke? I like that.
Well, that's because it's next to the pier.
But that one, the one up there has been there for like 10 minutes.
Killer. Okay. These people, look, they brought their food and everything.
I like it towards the end when they throw a whole bunch.
Yeah, you can tell when it's the end because it's
Yeah, it'd be like.
These people need to sit down, find their seat. Look, they brought their food and everything.
Sit down, camera. They cold for real.
Don't worry, I'm only going to be posting this on YouTube.
Whole world's gonna hear how your dumb self thought they shot from China.
I don't care.
What do you think? They made out of glass?
They don't know that a girl with 4 subscribers is over here recording a video.
Can you see?
Can't even see me, but it's all good. You ugly.
Look, no, what the fuck?
You're not gonna look at the fireworks, honey? Itty bitty old baby fireworks.
You can't even see it on the camera. I think I got some off of my lips.
That's enough.
So I'm over here trying to lick my lips and it just tastes like off.
That camera here, everything. Hermana. Hi.
El compresor de aire.
That's all. Mommy.
that. You saw that? You missed on the good ones, Destiny. There was one that went in a whole bunch of different directions.
You know, I sit down. I don't want to hear you fighting.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Lonnie, get over here now. Lonnie, sit down. You're missing the fireworks. Sit down.
Oh, I like that one.
You missed it. It was pretty.
Oh, I like that one.
That's big.
Who's behind us? Oh.
Like, they're trying to make a smiley face, low key. Lonnie, stop hitting.
Was that supposed to be a space trip or something? No, that's. I was waiting for that. They need one that covers the whole sky.
I was halfway there.
They need to stop with these fake ass fireworks. I was hearing them all last night, and it was so annoying.
I get mad when they do it. Like, it's not 4th of July yet.
Yeah, like it's the day before.
Like,
Then
tonight they're gonna be doing them all night. I be yelling at them. Like, I'm trying to sleep.
Yeah.
Like, I got church. No, Lonnie. Come sit down.
Hey, how long is this firework?
They're an hour.
Are you serious?
They're supposed to be.
This is not no hour.
Come over here, sit down.
Half an hour. 15 minutes, maybe.
Or is it the over now?
Mommy! Come over here.
No, because they're oh, don't you like those ones?
Yeah, those are cute.
They look like shining stars. Okay, that's all right.